PayID is a system used in Australia for easier and faster payments, allowing users to link their bank account to a unique identifier like a mobile number or email address. Here's a guide on how to use PayID with Bendigo Bank. Set up PayID. Log into your Bendigo Bank online banking or mobile app. Navigate to the PayID section to link your mobile number or email address to your bank account. Choose your identifier. Select the identifier you want to use and follow the prompts to link it to your account. Verification. Verify your identity as required by the bank to complete the PayID setup. Make payments. Once your PayID is set up, you can use it to make and receive payments. Instead of providing your BSP and account number, you can simply provide your PayID to others. Recipient confirmation. When sending money, ensure you correctly enter the recipient's PayID to avoid errors. Security measures. Follow security measures provided by Bendigo Bank, such as authentication steps to ensure the safety of your transactions.